Wagwan, it's LeekaJai. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Style in Thrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. I love this sweater that I bought in the thrift store. Can't you tell? Just wait to see what I transform it into. Once you have the sweater on, make a mark where you want to separate the skirt from the crop top. Once you've done that, then place the sweater on a flat surface and cut right across where you had that mark. The bottom piece will be the skirt. The first thing I want to do is to adjust the sides because it's a little bit too big for me. Once I've done that, then I'm going to go ahead and put a elastic band in the waist. To get started, first I'm measuring exactly how much the fold on the waist should be in order to insert the elastic band afterwards. So first I'm pinning that down so that I can go ahead and sew it afterwards. Make sure once you're sewing it, leave an opening on the side to insert the elastic band, and afterwards you can go ahead and close it. Use a safety pin to help you to insert that elastic band. That all done, sew the elastic band together and then you can close the opening. Oh, there's not much I want to do to the top. I like it as baggy as it is. So the only thing I'm going to do is just sew the ends so that it doesn't shred. And there you have it, guys, a two-piece set out of a sweater. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial. If you do, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Thank you.